Syndemic. A syndemic is the aggregation of two or more diseases in a population in which there is some level of positive biological interaction that exacerbates the negative health effects of any or all of the diseases. The term was developed and introduced by Singer in several articles in the mid-1990s and has since received growing attention and use among epidemiologists and medical anthropologists concerned with the community health and the effects of social conditions on health, culminating in a recent textbook. Syndemics tend to develop under conditions of health disparity caused by poverty, stress, or structural violence and contribute to a significant burden of disease in affected populations. The term syndemic is further reserved to label the consequential interactions between concurrent or sequential diseases in a population and in relation to the social conditions that cluster the diseases within the population. The traditional biomedical approach to disease is categorized by an effort to diagnostically isolate, study, and treat diseases as if they were distinct entities that existed in nature separate from other diseases and independent of the social context in which they are found. This singular approach proved useful historically in focusing medical attention on the immediate causes and biological expressions of disease, and contributed as a result to the emergence of targeted modern biomedical treatments for specific diseases, many of which have been successful. As knowledge about diseases have advanced, it is increasingly realized that diseases are not independent and that synergistic diseases interactions are of considerable importance for prognosis. Given the social conditions can contribute to the clustering, form, and progression of disease at the individual and population level, there is a growing interest in the health of sciences on syndemics. Read about co-occurrence versus syndemicism, types of disease interaction, counter-syndemics, laterogenic syndemics, examples of syndemics, syndemics in history, the influenza syndemics, syndemics and the environment, mathematical modeling of syndemics, future research on syndemics. Disease co-occurrence with or without interaction is known as comorbidity, co-infection, and associated terms. Types of disease interaction. Read about it. Read about syphilis, genital tract ulceration, co-infection, counter-syndemics, laterogenic syndemics, malnutrition, depression, whooping cough, influenza, tuberculosis, stress, obesity, mental health. Read about influenza pandemics, Spanish flu, Black Death, H1N1, asthma, atherosclerosis, heart attacks, strokes, mathematical modeling of syndemics, infectious diseases, infectious disease dynamics, mathematical modeling in epidemiology, ecosyndemic, global warming, West Nile virus. Read about co-infection, endemic, epidemic, list of epidemics, list of human diseases associated with infectious pathogens. Read all about syndemic,